Yo, what it do with your boy, a black guy Rose. And we're making tea. We're gonna start by getting our hose, stick it in the trash can, see how long it needs to go down. And we're gonna cut. You're gonna need an air stone. And about 2 should be fine. Drop it to the bottom. And we're gonna add some water. I'm gonna add about 10 gallons. You're gonna need a mug. We're gonna scoop 2 parts potted soil, 4 parts wiggly worm earth castings. All right, now that you got your tea bag, you're gonna need your molasses. Now that we hit it with 1 cup of the blackstrap molasses, we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some of this OG Bioware. Some of that recharge, some of this fish bone meal or fish, the steam bone meal. Hit it with the fish meal and the langemanite. Let's go. PK boosting for the win. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of recharge. For 10 gallons, we're doing 10 gallons of water, so we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. We're gonna go with half a cup. For the fish meal, we're gonna do half a cup and a tablespoon. Langemanite, same thing. Half a cup and a tablespoon inside the bag. And that's gonna be our last application. Drop your tea bag in the water. Uh-oh, I might have overfilled it. Fuck, it's too much water. All right, so if you're gonna put that much water, you're gonna need a bigger trash can, guys. All right, so we're gonna just let that sink to the bottom. All right, so there you go. And this is the next day. This is what we're working with on the next day, okay? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.